ensemo ya Senetor nigo omuseneta bwe county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka litukulia ranyara kobaga kobolia ekamati semi ime ya Senetor konyabwo kwerera ebitambukiro ao biribiga ndugumukwe likoneke buna umurobuli oboyabo masomo omakitemna CBC ngogira nole nakubwa muno gokonya bali bwate obolemerwo asogosira chiamate chiabo konyora chisemi.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Education regarding the implementation of the competency-based curriculum CBC. Mr. Speaker, the competency-based curriculum CBC was introduced to equip learners with practical skills for the 21st century, but its implementation has revealed significant challenges that have exacerbated inequalities in the education system in our country. Mr. Speaker, urban schools, well-resourced compared to rural and disadvantaged ones, has made it impossible to equate learning in our country. Mr. Speaker, the CBC's focus on projects, hands-on learning over core subjects, combined with the financial strains on the parents of these low-income families, and most of the schools, Mr. Speaker, are usually under-resourced, has left many of the students unprepared for global competition, and it has deepened the education disparities within our communities. Mr. Speaker, in the statement, the committee should state the measures being taken by the ministry to address resource disparity between all our schools in affluent urban areas and those in the rural and disadvantaged areas. Number two, Mr. Speaker, the committee should reevaluate the CBC framework and recommend measures to ensure that the new curriculum strikes a balance between competency development and the acquisition of essential practical and academic skills. Mr. Speaker, number three, I would hope that the committee will outline any existing measures in place to support parents, especially those from the low-income backgrounds who face extreme financial strain due to the increasing demands for class projects and learning materials under the CBC. Mr. Speaker, number four, I would hope the committee will conduct a robust awareness campaign to familiarize all stakeholders, including parents, teachers, and students, with the CBC requirements, assessment, and the necessary resources to ensure that this system is successfully implemented so that our children can have equitable access to education. Mr. Speaker, the committee should finally provide clear timelines for investment in infrastructure and provide an adequate learning period and times with materials for public schools, particularly those in the under-resourced areas and from the poor areas of our communities, so that we can then ensure that all the students in our country have equal opportunity to succeed under these